Okay, so how do we do an autocomplete on a feature in QGIS? So let's say you have these polygon areas and you need to draw whatever is in the middle, now between these parts. But you have some curves here that you took a while to draw and you don't want to go over it again, like going vertex by vertex. That's going to be very, very painful. Okay, so what do? We have this option. Normally it's this way, but we can choose to avoid overlap on the active layer. So for this to work, everything needs to be on the same layer. And it's like an autocomplete. It means that I'm going to draw things and the software is going to calculate the rest so it works. So let's see, I'm going to add whatever is in the middle, but I don't need to be as precise. So just click anywhere inside. You can see I'm going all around it, wherever I want. Okay, so this is how it looks. That's the red lines, but once I click OK, you're going to see what's going to be saved. And if I select this, I only have whatever's on the middle, and I didn't need to trace each one of the vertices one by one again. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how you can do autocomplete in QGIS, autocomplete like in S3 ArcGIS, I think that was it called. And in this case, it's just avoid overlaps on the active layer.